Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be talking about the OEM cartridge replacements for the Clean and Clear 240. This is part number 179133. We have these readily available on the website. These are great OEM replacements for the cartridges that are in your Clean and Clear filter now. You'll notice that these guys do not say Pentair anywhere on them, but they are Pentair OEM filters. They're great filters. When you take your filters out of the pool that are dirty and you throw these in, you get such better water flow. Everything's just going to work a ton better. And one of the best things about them is they're budget friendly. They're not crazy expensive. So inexpensive filter, going to clean your pool, make everything a lot better, make everyone a lot happier. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching the video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. And we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.